dead. You ain't hooked on phonics, man, that shit don't read. Straight magician, tell that boy I got a trick on my sleeve. Watch me disappear the act when I shoot through the breeze. Retaliate if you want, you be missing indeed. I wish you would. In the fall, you be missing your leaves. Yup. I'm just crazy, son. I put your ex in a box tryna play me. One, I ain't a thug, don't betray is one. I break 5 different bones, see the lazy one. I am nutty professor like Sherman. Do a $110 and that's suburban. Orange juice tipping head, got a nigga swerving. Cutting through the beat like a surgeon. Trying to give a message like it's urgent. Never been touched like a virgin. And I'm fresh as fuck like detergent. Y'all really hear me? Got him talking from his neck like he told me something. Got his bitch talking back like I know she's funny. And she hit me with that whatever. Nah, bitch, tell your man he should really do better. Pull up in that thing when I met her. Chop me off, I dropped her off, then I used them 2 letters like H-O, but the E is silent. Start 7-6 holes when I know they private. Then I hit her with the pound A2. Tell Drake by the weekend she be loving the crew. If them niggas spin an animal, then come in the zoo. I been straight, tell the waitress I don't mix with the fruit. Yup, is you ballin' or not? Mask and pipe, nigga, show me what you got. From the streets where Gimme got shot. So stick to the strip or get stuck in the plot. Stuck in the box, and I ain't talking deals with hoes when I say them niggas stuck to the rock. Yup.